I've always loved horses, and while I was looking for a job working with horses, I found Agape, and working at Agape, I get to hang out with kids and horses, which I love. Hey, I'm Ava Courtney. I volunteer at Agape Therapeutic Riding Center. I help with sidewalking, horse handling, and grooming with classes. I love hanging out with both the horses and the kids and watching as the kids learn, develop new skills, and develop a connection with the horses.
Ava is one of our amazing volunteers that started in 2022, and she's always very committed to Agape. She always shows up to her scheduled shifts on time, and a lot of times when we're like in a pinch, if we have a volunteer cancel at the last second, we send out like one final SOS for help, and Ava's always like, oh, I can fill that, no problem. And then she's always here and always just does a great job with any riders and any horses that she's partnered with. My name is Ainsley Flannery, and I am the East Site Volunteer Coordinator for Agape Therapeutic Riding Center, and I nominated Ava Courtney for Jiffy Lube's Drive to Do More Award. Here at Agape Therapeutic Riding Center, we offer therapeutic riding lessons and equine-assisted learning to kids and adults with emotional, psychological, social, and physical disabilities.
I volunteer because I enjoy developing connections with the riders, as well as relationships with the horses. The main thing I enjoy is serving at the barn, being with the horses, and serving my community.
Ava, she is a horse handler in our classes mainly, and she also does some sidewalking as well. So mainly she will go out and get the horses for our riders and then come in and tack them up. And a lot of that entails partnering with the rider, seeing what their needs are, seeing what they need, where they need help, and then just supporting the rider and the horse throughout the entire lesson in any way that they need it.
I rely on my vehicle to get me to and from Agape. By receiving a year's worth of vehicle maintenance, it allows me to continue coming here. If I didn't take care of my vehicle, I wouldn't even be here.